This is called Union Christian College. You can send your children study here. The most beautiful place I've ever seen. So that is the place that I'll be going. It's called Shillong. After some time, I'd love to be there soon. My friend Umiam waiting for me. This is the hostel that I stayed in 1995, called Wyndham Hall. Amazing. In 1995, I was staying in this hostel, so it's just changed a lot. Different thing has happened. This is to be my hostel, so great to come after a long time. 24 years after I've been here now. It's amazing. This is the place that I have encountered the very presence of God in 1995 through the man called S.K. Miller. It's a great place. I have great encountering. This is to be my classroom here. Classroom. So much development happening. See. Wow. I forgot my English teacher name, but this is the place where I have been taught English. Amazing place. These are my people from Tripura in ECC College. The meeting happening among the Tripura Student Federation, so that's good. Beautiful scenery. This direction is to be for office. This direction goes for the lake. There's a canteen here. Try something. Okay. This is the girls' hostel. This one. It has become more beautiful than before. There's lots of development in this place. Everything has changed in this last 24 years here. I can never believe the way that it has, the infrastructure have developed. So this direction is the one that we pay our school fee. So I hope it's still there. Going back, the roads have developed so well. Upstairs there used to be the boys' hostel called High Hall. 200 steps you have to walk up to be there in the hostel. This hostel another that side. It's called RCC building. So it's quite a development. Feeling very emotional coming back after 24 years where I did my college, my school here in this place. So it's such a memory for me with some of my friends that I have did my college here, studies. Good to come back and refresh my mind of my early time, of the moment that I have come out from my hometown. My first place to come and study here.